everyone, welcome to BELLE51's channel, and this is the unboxing of our newest product, the Jua 85. Jua, which is sunlight in Swahili, and one of my favorite languages. I took it in undergrad, and I just think that, you know, every single product moving forward from BELLE51 will be based in sunlight in some sort of language that is from our people and from various people who have brown skin and black skin, and I just think there's just so many beautiful ways to say sunlight. So on that note though, we're gonna start, and this is the box that it comes in. And once you open up that box, which I'm having a little bit of difficulty doing, but we'll open it up and you'll get out your product, right? So this is what it looks like. It comes like this, and it is a case for carrying, so you can take it with you on vacations or wherever you really want to go with it. And what's inside of it will be the microneedling system. So you'll have your base here. This is the pen, and so you can charge this. Is rechargeable, and so there'll be a little green light on it. See the little velvety one, but there'll be a little green light on it. You hold it down, and it'll start to make a buzz sound, and so that's how you know it's on. You have a green light, and what it'll do is allow you to put different cartridges in it for different results. So I'm gonna turn it off for now. And this is also adjustable in height, so if you read online, there'll be tons of forums, and they'll tell you, you know, change the height of it. It needs to be this depth, and the depth has directly to do with the severity of the scarring that you have. So if it's like fine lines and wrinkles, what you really want to do is not use very deep or depth on this one. What you want to do is you want to use shallow needles and shallow depth. But if you have really deep scars, you want to use something that's a little bit, that goes a little bit deeper, like stretch marks or deep scars, pitted scars, for example. So it comes with cartridges. So I suggested that people take a look. There's a nano cartridge, which is really, really great. I love it. This is more for daily use. This is something you can use all the time to keep your face smooth. I literally have no foundation on right now from eyeliner, so that I can talk to you guys and not look crazy, but use every single day. So we have this 5D nano, and you can see it here. And I'm gonna open this up so you can actually see what's in it. So I don't know if you can see that, right? But look guys, look at that. Super cool inside. Okay, then you get 2 of these 36 needles. So what I would probably do is use the same one. Like I said, you can adjust the depth. So I'd use one, and then when this one runs out, use the other one. But the 36 needles is great. A lot of them only come with like 4 needles, 6 needles, 8 needles. 36 needles is really what you need, and these are all stainless steel, so it is just a great and awesome find. And the price that I'm offering is ridiculous, because I've seen these go for $425 minimum online, and then I've also seen some other procedures where there are professionals, doctors, dermatologists who charge quite a bit of money for it. So like $700 a session, $100 is the minimum I've seen. So you're really getting a steal, a bargain here, and it is so amazing. This is your charger here. Comes with a USB cord, so you don't have to stay next to the wall. You can plug it into your laptop, whatever you want to do. I love it. And this stays charged for a while. So like I said, you can bring it on vacation, you can charge it up and then like go do it in a room, like while you're talking to somebody. I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. Okay, next things next. We have our user manual. So in here, I have all of the steps and how to use this and how to adjust it and all sorts of things. So you can go through here. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to customer support at BELLE51 and get some more, I guess, fill-ins or anything like that you feel like might be missing, but tried to be really comprehensive in this one. Okay, so what now? So I just took out my 5D, which is great, and then I'm gonna just put it in. Like, let's see, like, let's just do it. So there's a little click here. So there's a thing it's gonna click when you know that, oops, it's gonna click when you know that it's on. So you plug it in, it's kind of like a hook and then turn. So you put it in and then you turn it and then it won't come off. Mine is charged already, so I could turn it on wherever I want to. On these dials, you can see the depth. So there's a range on here that goes all the way to 2.5 and starts at 0.25. So the depth really, you know, you progress with the depth of the needle that you use. And something really cool is that, so when you turn this on, I'm gonna put mine on, because this is something I would use every day. I'm gonna put mine on, I'm going to put mine on 0.5 is what I feel most comfortable with. And so you can see it says needle length. Here, this arrow is pointing up. Needle length. So I know exactly where I have it. I'm gonna turn my BELLE51 Jua on, and I'm just gonna use it on my skin, right? And what you also wanna do is try to see if you can get maybe a little something. I actually have this
I think it's the way life changes when you love you. I surround myself with positivity.
I'll leave that to you if you wear
That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more
But anyway, so
I still dream about the days when we were young.
I will go ahead
I'll take the hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah.
A little bit about
the ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
Let me know if you guys want to try it, and some people probably get some
slow, baby.
So, anyways, thanks for you know, watching this video and unboxing with me. And yeah, BELLE51, Jua 85.